you. I think it is a good platform for MBA students because whatever we study in MBA course that we cover in a 2 days conference, and that is the purpose we are here to discuss about customer relationship management, that too strategic customer relationship management. For me, I think if customer relationship management is a theory, then the application will be the strategies, and that becomes the strategy customer relationship management. And you apply your strategies, but the objective is only to sustain the customer relationship management. And we are here in New Horizon College organizing international conference on strategic customer relationship management. And my topic is success in strategic CRM and attainment of organizational goal. First of all, I would like to thank to the management to organize such a wonderful platform for creating a education and knowledge, enterprising and sharing of intellectuals, educationists as well as students for coming together and discussing for a particular forum. The basic concepts of CRM, if I talk about, it is nothing but a relationship that we talk about the behavior or the satisfaction that we deliver to the customer. So lasting behavior doesn't, it changes, which takes time. For a particular time period of delivering a particular service, it always takes a behavior to sustain with that unless until we don't complete the sales or we start the sales after that. Team members are always teams, not a collection of competent individuals. Behavior should foster delivery effectiveness. There must be opportunities to practice, and CRM is a normal behavior, which is CRM is not just an emergency procedure. It is always said like what is right, not who is right. Understanding why people do what they do, predicting the performance and controlling the performance. The education and training involved in customer relationship management, I must talk about 75% of the basic skills for the BPO industry are acquired during the primary and secondary schooling years. Secondary education curriculum should include courses that focus on capitalizing on the BPO opportunity. Training that will bridge the cultural gap between India and the US needs to be a focus area. Huge opportunity for the training industry to work with the leading BPO players to come up with industry-focused curriculum. Some initial tractions, institutions partnering with corporates. Conduct workshops on key imperatives like quality, including job fairs for the industry. Encourage training courses focused on international accounting. Then, if we talk about ITs, if we segment ITs in the subject or different domain of our management studies, customer relationship management process with telemarketing, collections, customer support, voice, email, and chat. Finance and accounting, billing, receivable management, creditors management, financial accounting. Human resource, payroll management, benefits management, training, recruitment, records management. Content development, digitization transaction, content development, data entry, data conversion, transcription, medical, legal, pre-press, pre-media, geographical information system. If we talk about transaction processing, it comes up with tax processing, claims processing, check processing, and card processing. With supply chain, it's transportation, materials management, and warehouse management. Then, why India? India for opportunities for CRM. It because we have local attractiveness as well as workforce capability. Local attractiveness includes infrastructure, foreign direct investment, and time zone effectiveness, whereas workforce capability, skill set, language proficiency, quality of work ethic, and differential. I would like to show you the size of circle talks about the availability of the qualified workers available in the country. So as India is having a huge market for CRM. Indian IT players that you know, the critical success factors for IT is from idea to wealth creation. It starts with building infrastructure, acquiring customer, hire and retain people, operational excellence, and raising capital. The critical success factors for ITs comes with manpower availability with appropriate skills, education and training, basic acquisition engine, building the Indian ITs brand, telecom infrastructure, regulatory framework for IT sector, domain knowledge and operational excellence, quality of management teams, and feeder industries like catering and transport. The manpower availability that we have as installed base of 2 million of English-speaking graduates grows at 9%. Of this pool, approximately 15% of have acceptable communication skills for voice process, which they have fluent communication skills for trainable, which is for voice process. 20 to 25% have basic conversational skills, and we count them for non-voice processes, as well as 60% have understanding basic English lacking in conversational skills. CRM training includes team building, self-assessment, information transfer, problem solving, conflict resolution, decision making, maintaining situational awareness, and use of automated systems. Managing risk for CRM, we have supervision for typing, type and quality and quantity, planning, which requires time, team selection, experience and composition, team fitness for physical and mental state, environment for physical environment and organizational culture, complexity, mission, job task, and work function. The same management that we have, planning, organizing, directing, and controlling, and staffing. Operating system, task arrangement demands on people, communications, time aspects, materials design, equipment, supplies, work environment, sociological environment, weather, material assets, training, initial, update, remedial, and people selection and motivation. How assertive one should be for a customer relationship management. If you talk about the service to the safety, it should be pointed out when you talk about the service. It should give the give rationale to the policies, as will discuss the operations, as will insist on rules and take control on the safety. Situational awareness, the ability to identify, process, and comprehend the critical elements of information about what is happening at a given point of time, as well knowing what is going on around you. Thank you so much.